guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install my glueless lace frontal wig. So that means no glue, no gotta be, and no holding spray.
Say what?
Hint, I am using new sound effects. That's what happens when you get a little sound effect happy. But to get started with this process, I like to tighten the adjustable straps that already come on the unit. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and customize this unit to my liking. Now, this unit did not come customized, so I went ahead and did a little bit of plucking. Also, it did not come bleached, as you can see. Now, instead of bleaching this, I did go ahead and use my foundation from L'Oreal with a nice flat, fluffy brush, and I kind of just used the excess on top of the bottle. I just spread it all around inside on the actual lace. So don't use a lot. Really make sure your brush is slightly dry and just spread it all over the inner part of your lace. Now, it's not messy unless you put a lot of foundation. Keep that in mind. And then I love this blue color. You guys know I'm a blue fanatic. I love blue hair. So this one was definitely the one for me. Now this hair came bleached. In case you're wondering, you're probably like, girl, did it not? Did you bleach it? I did not dye this hair, in case you're wondering. I am gonna go ahead and use my hot comb. Now I left out a very important step, okay? Now, to keep my wig nice and flat, I did go ahead and add a headband in. And if you are curious on knowing how to add your actual headband in, how to sew it, you can go ahead and click the link in the upper left-hand corner. I have a very detailed video for you guys that I did a couple of months back, showing you guys how to add the headband in. But to keep your wig glueless, to me, a headband is important, and so is tightening the back of your wig. Just saying. You guys know I love to add some volume to my hair and some layers. Now, that razor was dull as so instead, I went ahead and I used the scissors. And I like my layers to kind of start a little bit under my chin because it kind of shapes my face the way I like it. If you want long layers, go right ahead and do so. Now, I did go ahead and curl my hair just to add some body to it. And this is probably one of my favorite curling irons. It gets very hot, super hot, and it does the job. Like, it curls any hair, all hair, and it's just, I don't know, makes the hair feel a little bit silkier. I don't know. I use this all the time, and I love it. So I will have the link for you guys down below if you are interested in this hot tools curling iron that I use all the time. I kind of started putting links below, but I'm going to start again putting back the links of the tools that I use. Next, go ahead and use a wide tooth comb to kind of just comb out the curls. Gosh, this hair is so gorgeous. It's fluffy, it's silky. I love it. This is like my, let me see, my 5th video with DIVASWIGS, or 4th maybe. Love their hair. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, okay? And I'm kind of doing this very jagged, and I'm gonna go back throughout this video and kind of just chip off a little pieces, cut off a little pieces as I'm going along. It's never right the first time with me. You guys know me. I like to go back and just add some more and touch up as I'm going along. Now, with that same foundation, I am going to put it in the middle of my part just to brighten it up a little bit. I am going to go back to the part a little bit later, but until then, I like to go ahead and just spend as much time flattening the top. Mousse is another one of my best friends. Love this thing. And I'm just going to spread this on the top of my hair. This is going to get rid of any flyaways for me. This is going to go ahead and make my top of my head lay even flatter as I smush it down some more. As you can see, I'm so annoying, guys. I'm so sorry that I'm being so animated, but your girl's in a good mood today, okay? I usually straighten out the 2 top parts so that it can kind of fall back a little bit and a little bit more of a natural look. Now, the part was kind of bothering me. It was like so skinny, and I feel like for my real hair, it's not as skinny in the front like that. So of course I plucked and put some more foundation there. And then it's not a wig for me if I don't got my little swoopy part in the front. I do want to make this part clear. Because it's glueless, the parts by your ear sometimes may not sit as flat as you want it. Now, I'm okay with that. So you can see by the tippy top part of the top of my ear, right in those little corners, the lace is a little bit lifted. Now, I'm okay with that. If you're not okay with that, you might want to put some gel there, just saying. But when you guys ask for glueless, this wig is a glueless wig, okay? So I don't want to hear nothing in my comments about it's not glueless. I use spray, I use gel, I use freaking anything, okay? So it is very glueless. Sometimes I do use mousse to kind of just keep the hair in that direction, but it's not going to stick as much. But I think this is 90% amazing as far as the lace not lifting. So I think it's really cute. If you keep your hair down and don't pull it back, you are fine, child. You fine. Now I'm going to use some spray to kind of just add some sheen and shine to my hair. Use your fingers to kind of just like, massage the oil in. Again, guys, this wig is from DIVASWIGS. Absolutely love their units. Now, this to me is amazing because I don't have any glue on this and it looks like I have my hair gel down. And honestly, this is all the wig's doing. The wig is doing this for me. I didn't really have to do much work, just saying. I just added on a headband and that was it. Now I'm going to use Lovely Bees because I like to show you guys how my hair looks without edge control. Without edges, baby hair, and how it looks with. I'm more of a fan of it with a little bit of swoops, but I want to show you guys both ways. And guys, this is no glue. This is no gel. Look, pull. See, it looks so good to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Again, this is DIVASWIGS. Love this wig. The hair is silky. The hair is amazing. The hair is beautiful. And I'm always working with them. I think it looks great. So this is one that you could definitely take out the box and kind of style and go on about your day. So kind of call this an everyday wig if it were black. No maintenance. And that's all. Bye, guys.